Okay, we're doing a service call. We got new parts, brand new valve, and we got a chamber sensor. Contacted Rheem and told Rheem that we had some issues, and that's what they sent out was this kit right here. So you get a brand new valve and you get a new chamber sensor. So that's what we're gonna do. So we gotta turn the gas off somehow. How do we turn the gas off here? Oh boy. What in the hell? Alright. We got our work cut out for us. We'll take this with us. I'm pretty sure, maybe I didn't, I never changed the valve here. Well, I don't see how you, I don't see how you turn the gas off. Oh, here it is, okay. So check it out, they've got it flexed over into a T that's feeding two appliances. That's probably their problem. Nobody wants to hear that. And we got a chamber sensor. So we're going to be replacing the chamber sensor. We gotta change the chamber sensor. Chamber sensor isn't the problem. Chamber sensor. About the camera angle. It's the old one. I'm all over the place there. I'm a hot mess right here. Parts and pieces and goodies. Need a new gasket. How did I end up with two of these? Okay, so something weird happened. Check it out. Here's the original. Somehow I ended up with two of these. I guess they sent two? I don't know what's going on here. take it. It's really weird, but okay. Getting some free chamber sensors out of this deal. Alright. I should keep those gaskets, but I don't. You don't really need the gaskets. I mean, you do. If it gets really wet and it falls apart, you have no gasket, but how are ya?
When they say that it's to clean the burner, there's nothing to clean.
I kind of wiped it off a little bit. I don't know
But
how.
Not really.
Well, there's not a sensor. You know, there's not a sensor that tells it that it's dirty. So I don't know how it would know. You know, I don't know. You know, I don't build these things, so I'm not saying. I'm just saying I don't know how it would know. But I think because that circuit board was from a different water heater, that it was just, you know, it was probably just a bad code.
No, but they, even in the papers they say it, but I don't. I say, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it was a little dirty. I kind of brushed it off a little bit, kind of blew into it a little bit, but these don't really, you know, it's not really a thing with the Rheems. It's kind of a thing with the A.O.Smith. And that's where this circuit board is from. The circuit board is off of an A.O.Smith. So I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it detects the temperature and then says, "Hey, the temperature's running a little bit hot. Maybe the screen's dirty," and then maybe it does it that way. I don't know. I'd love to talk to somebody that's that programs these things and builds these things, so I'd have more information, but I don't really know how else it would know that. So I replaced the chamber sensor. So you got a new chamber sensor on there, which is good. You know, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And then we'll put the new valve in. Probably the most important thing, I think it was just the circuit board that I used to switch it out had a problem. You know, they get problems sometimes. But you'll get a new valve, a new chamber sensor, and hopefully that takes care of it. I did this exact same thing probably 3 weeks ago, and I haven't heard from the people. Yeah, so. I told them the same thing. I said, "Hey, it's under warranty. Contact Rheem." This is the one you want to keep. That's the one you want to keep. I don't think you're going to need it, but if we do need it, we have it. And then you put that's the new valve. We'll put the new valve in there. But yeah, I haven't heard from them, and I did the same thing. I changed the chamber sensor. And I replaced the valve. Camera up here. This will be good for you, huh? You won't have to light it every day.
Yep.
What are you gonna do with all your What are you gonna do with all your free time? I'm sure you'll automatically come down here for the first couple of days and check it, right? You'd be like,
Yeah.
you'd be so used to.
And they will tell me quickly. No, even my wife has to know how to do it.
I know, that's
She
good.
learned, yeah, because I was not here. I told her, hey, go outside and do this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah, this is the worst time of the year to be running into cold water. I mean, it's been cold. Well, it's okay in the summer.
Yeah.
All right. In the summertime, we're okay. I really like the way that thermistor wire went in there. Seemed like it didn't want to seat. Very well. Okay, we're almost finished here. I'll be right back. Okay. We are back. It's another busy weekend day. I hate using Teflon tape. I still don't have. I got a new truck. I'm driving a bigger truck, but I haven't had a chance to move my pipe dope over. Another quarter turn. That's all I dare. Tighten that too. Almost forgot to connect the chamber sensor. That's bad news. Okay, so replaced the chamber sensor, replaced the valve, and replaced the circuit board. There was no way to shut the water off here. There's no shut off, or maybe back in there somewhere. To drain it down, I was just gonna replace the whole, well housing and thermistor and all that, but they're not really having problems with that. The thermistor is kind of a rare situation. So we're gonna leave that with him. So this is the new one that they sent out. So this shows the thermistor pretty well. Alright. And this is basically just plastic. I recently found out it's nylon. There's your metal tip on there. That's all the new ones come without. So Valve came up. It is blinking normal operation. Oh, it's another quiet. There's no, these new ones they're sending out, there's no spring in here that you hear winding up. But yeah, should be running. We'll try and get you a view up in there, you can see it. Well, that's it. So, new chamber sensor, new valve body, new circuit board on a Rheem. I think the year is 2021. So if they keep having problems with it, I told them they should take it back to Home Depot. Anyway, thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and have a great day.